All right, so we're gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm going to be taking you around my office, and I think I need to switch lenses. Oh, that's a little bit better. I switched to the 12mm Samyang lens, which is a very affordable, actually cheap lens that you can get for a super wide option. And now you can see a little bit more of the entire space. And I'm gonna be walking you around and showing you, but the first thing that I did when I walked into this space was think about, okay, where's my desk gonna go? And in thinking about that, I was also thinking about what the background was going to be and which wall would be the best background. So you can see the 3 walls I'm working with here, and then the last wall I'll show you is actually where the door is. And I didn't think that made much sense to put either use as a backdrop or to put my desk, because I also have over here a door that is a little closet, which is great for storage, but it wasn't a great spot to put my desk over here. So the question was, do I put my desk on this wall? Do I put it in front of the window, which could have been nice, except I didn't like the idea of my back being to the doorway. And also if I was filming at my computer, which I often do, I didn't like the idea of the door being in the background. Or I could have put my desk on this wall over here. Now, putting my desk over here could have been an option, but again, then I would have a door in the background if I was filming at my desk because of the closet door. This wall over here is also the only wall without a window or a door, which gave me the biggest space for actually designing a background. And so that became one of the determining factors in putting my desk on this wall so that this would be the background of most of my videos. I then could use the window as sort of a side fill light into me, as well as the background. But as I've mentioned, I've been able to design the space so that this is a backdrop. I can shoot from where we've been filming this class with this as a backdrop. I can film even closer with just the desk as a backdrop, or I could use this wall over here as a backdrop. Now, this isn't the angle that I would be using as a backdrop, but this is a photo wall. I picked a few of my favorite photos that I have taken and I put it on this. And this one right here is actually one of the acoustic canvases that I printed. So this is sound absorbing and it looks nice. So these are some of the things I was thinking about when coming into this space and choosing where my desk and ultimately my camera and backdrop that I would most often use, where those would go.